Hello friends, as mentioned in the shorts, welcome to the step-by-step text typography animation tutorial in Blender. Hope you like it, so let's get started. First, add a text object by pressing Shift+A. In the settings, adjust the text to center it. You can type anything, I'll type subscribe in all caps. Rotate it on the x-axis by pressing R, then type 90 degrees. Next, go to the geometry settings, extrude the text, and increase the depth to your liking. In the font section, choose any font that fits your design. Now, let's add a cube. Go to the top view and scale the cube to match the length, width, and height of your text. Right-click on the cube and select Subdivide. Set the number of cuts to 50, you can subdivide one more time if needed. Add the bevel modifier and adjust the segments for a smoother look. Next, we'll add the lattice effect. Press Shift+A to add a lattice, then in the top view, scale it to cover the text and the cube completely. Make sure to convert the text to a mesh by right-clicking and selecting Convert to Mesh. Apply the Remesh modifier to the text. Select the Sharp option, uncheck Remove Disconnected, and set the octree depth to 10. Don't forget to shade smooth and apply the remesh. Select the lattice object and in the settings, set the resolution to 50. Then, select the cube and apply the lattice modifier. Set the lattice object in the modifier. Repeat the same step for the text. Now for the animation, add an empty object by pressing Shift+A, and parent all objects to the empty object by pressing Ctrl+P. Then, apply a simple deform modifier to the lattice, adjusting the angle to your liking. From the top, click on Overlays to hide any extra objects, and click again when you need them back. Now, duplicate the text with Shift+D and rotate it so that it's visible on all the faces of the cube. Now open the timeline and set the endpoint to 150 frames. Insert a keyframe by pressing I. At frame 1, set the rotation to 0, and at the end frame, set it to 360 degrees. Press play to preview your animation. For materials, start by adding a plane for the background. Set up your camera, and in the render settings, enable ray tracing and motion blur. Add a plane light, set the power to 200, then duplicate the light and position it as you like. Now, give the cube a red material, the text a white material, and choose any color you like for the background. Once you're happy with the result, set the render output to MP4 format and render the animation. That's it for today's tutorial. If you liked it, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more tutorials, including exhibition tutorials coming soon. Thanks for watching.